हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम क्लास 11th चैप्टर 1 सम बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन पार्ट 3 देखेंगे। दैट इज फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 18। Question number 13 says, pressure is determined as force per unit area of the surface. We are given the formula of pressure is force upon area. Force is mass into acceleration. Here we can take acceleration due to gravity and area. SI unit of pressure, Pascal, is as shown below. 1 Pascal is equals to 1 Newton per meter square. If mass of air at sea level is 1034 gram per centimeter square, पे हमें दे रखा है mass of a particular area, means the value of m upon a is given to us, that is 1034 gram per centimeter inverse square. इसे हम नीचे लिख सकते हैं. As we can see, this gram and centimeter both are not in SI unit, तो हम इसे SI unit में change करेंगे. SI यूनिट में किलोग्राम होता है, ग्राम नहीं, तो हम ग्राम को जब किलोग्राम में चेंज करेंगे वी विल डिवाइड द टर्म विथ 1000 एंड इट विल चेंज. और सेंटीमीटर को चेंज करने के लिए हम डिवाइड करेंगे 100 से. क्योंकि ये सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है तो हम डिवाइड भी 100 स्क्वायर से करेंगे. ये नीचे है तो इसे हम न्यूमरेटर में ले जाएंगे एंड द फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन विल लुक लाइक 1034 इंटू 100 इंटू 100, 2 टाइम्स 100, 100 टू द पावर 2 था इसलिए न्यूमरेटर में जाके 2 बार ही हो गया, अपॉन 1000. एंड नाउ दिस इज इन किलोग्राम पर मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ दिस इज इन SI यूनिट. इसे आगे सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें कुछ कन्वर्जन्स आनी चाहिए. दैट इज़ 1 न्यूटन इज इक्वल्स टू 1 kg मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, 1 पास्कल इज इक्वल्स टू 1 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. इन दोनों को जब हम कंबाइन करेंगे तो 1 पास्कल इज इक्वल्स टू 1 किलोग्राम पर मीटर पर स्क्वायर सेकेंड आ जाएगा. हमारे पास अब ये चेंज हो चुकी है kg और मीटर्स के अंदर. Now we will work on this formula, that is pressure is equals to force upon area. The value of m upon a we have calculated separately here and we can put it 1034 into 100 into 100 upon 1000. That is the value of m upon a. And acceleration due to gravity we know that is 9.8 meter per second square in SI unit. When we will solve this whole, we will get the value 1.01332 into 10 to the power 5 in kg from here, meter inverse square, meter per centimeter square. When we will combine these two, we will get kg, meter inverse, second, square inverse, and this is equals to Pascal, and the final answer is 1.01332 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal, which is the required answer. Next we will see the next question now. Next question is, what is the SI unit of mass? How is it defined? SI unit of mass is kilogram. We know that, but how it is defined? How is kilogram defined? Kilogram is equal to the mass of international prototype of the kilogram, a platinum iridium alloy cylinder kept at International Bureau of Weights. What does this mean? Kilogram को हम कैसे symbolize करते हैं? We have kept a cylindrical alloy of platinum iridium and taking it as the reference, we have calculated weight of all the other elements. That cylindrical alloy represents 1 kilogram. Okay, let's see the next question now. Next question is, match the following prefixes with their multiples. To solve this question, we need to know the information about multiple and prefixes. This table I have taken from NCERT. आप वहाँ से check कर सकते हो, and you need to remember this data to solve this kind of question. Okay. Micro we can see from here. Micro is 10 to the power minus 6. So we'll match it. Deca is 10. Mega is 10 to the power 6. Giga is 10 to the power 9. And femto is 10 to the power 5. You need to memorize this table and it is given in NCERT. Next question. What do you mean by significant figures? Answer is the digits in the properly recorded measurement are known as significant figures, or it can be stated as the total number of figures in a number including the last digit whose value is uncertain is called the significant figures. This means that जितनी digits में हमने final answer को report किया है, that number of digits represent the significant figures. For example, we have conducted an experiment and we get the value is 1.39, 1.039. Here we have used 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have used 4 significant figures here. बट अगर हम इस आंसर को राउंड ऑफ कर देते हैं 39 की जगह अगर मैं 1.04 लिख देती हूँ then it is 1, 2 and 3 means after rounding off I have reported the answer into 3 significant figures. So significant figure represent the number of digits we have used to represent the answer. Let's see the next question now. Question number 17 says that a sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform CHCl3, which is the formula of chloroform, supposed to be carcinogenic in nature. The level of contamination was 15 ppm. ppm means parts per million. Okay. ppm means 15 gram in a million. Okay. Or we can say 10 to the power 6. Million is 10 to the power 6. We have to solve two parts. First is express this in percent by mass. To calculate the percentage, we need to put the number given in the numerator, that is 15, upon total, that is a million, into 100. And when we will solve this, we will get 1.5 into 10 to the power 3% minus 3%. In scientific notation, I have written this, a perfect form. Let's see the next question now. Determine the molality of chloroform in the water sample. To solve this, we need to know the formula of molality, that is given mass upon molar mass of the solute into given mass of the solvent. Given mass we are provided with is 1.5 into 10 to the power 3 because इतना ही present है. Molar mass we can calculate of chloroform, mass of solvent. Okay. हमें दे रखा है, let's assume कि 100 ग्राम of sample के अंदर 1.5 into 10 की पावर 3 ग्राम क्लोरोफॉर्म प्रेजेंट होगा बिकॉज ये परसेंटेज में दे रखा है मीन्स दिस मच अमाउंट इज प्रेजेंट इन 100 ग्राम्स. सो 100 ग्राम्स के अंदर 1.5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 3 ग्राम्स क्लोरोफॉर्म प्रेजेंट होगा. इससे जब हम निकालेंगे 1000 ग्राम सैंपल के अंदर कितना होगा 1.5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर माइनस 2 ग्राम्स ऑफ क्लोरोफिल. 1000 ग्राम्स मीन्स 1 kg. ओके, मतलब अगर हमारा सोल्यूशन 1 kg होगा तो उसके अंदर 1.5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 2 ग्राम्स क्लोरोफॉर्म प्रेजेंट होगा. नेक्स्ट वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द मोलर मास ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म. मोलर मास ऑफ CHCl3 विल बी 12 plus 1 plus 3 into 35.5. 12 for carbon, 1 for hydrogen, 35.5 for chlorine. And when we will solve this, we will get the value 119.5 gram. Okay. अब हमारे पास given mass भी है, that is 15.5 into 10 to the power 2. मोलर मास भी है 119.5 और mass of solvent हो गया 1 kg. We can calculate molality now. Given mass is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Molar mass is 119.5 and we need to put the weight of solvent in kg, so it is 1 kg. And when we will solve this, we will get the value 0.0125 into 10 to the power minus 2, and for the proper representation we can shift the decimal to here and the answer will be 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 4 m. This is the required answer. Let's check the next question now. Question number 18 says express the following in the scientific notation. The rule for converting the number into scientific notation is we need to convert the number in between 1 to 10. That is, कोई भी आंसर 1 to 10 के बीच में होना चाहिए. We can shift the decimal to left or right to get the required answer. जो कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये, इसको अगर मैं 1 2 3 प्लेसेस यहाँ शिफ्ट करूँ, देन इट विल बिकम 4.8 इंटू 10 to the power जितना हमने प्लेस शिफ्ट किया है, दैट इज 1 2 and 3, 10 to the power minus 3. Changing the digit to right, the power of 10 will be negative. If we are changing into left, the power of 10 will be positive. Here the point is here, इसे 1 से 10 के बीच में लाने के लिए we can shift it 1 2 3 4 5. It will become 2.34 into 10 to the power 5. Here point is here, after 8 we can shift 1 2 3. 8.008 into 10 to the power 1 2 3. 3 shifts on the right, it will become 8.008 into 10 to the power 3. Point is here 1 2. 5 into 10 to the power 2. Here point is here only, the number is between 1 to 10, so this is the correct form. Answer will remain same, 6.0012. Here now in the answer all the numbers are between 1 to 10. 4.8 is between 1 to 10, 2.34, 8.008, 5 and 6.0012. All the digits are between 1 to 10, means these are now correctly represented in the scientific notation form. This was all for the video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, do hit the like button, share with your friend and subscribe to the channel for further videos. Thank you.